Hello everyone! Welcome to this episode of the M5Stack tutorial video. Today, we'll show you how to quickly develop with the chain angle in UiFlow2. The chain angle is a potentiometer knob module from the M5Stack Chain series, featuring 12-bit ADC and an RGB indicator, ideal for human-machine interaction and intelligent control. First, access the UiFlow2 official website through your browser. In the function expansion area, click on Chain. Drag the angle block onto the bus 1 bus, and click Confirm to load the module. Demo example. Obtain the ADC resolution angle value, and use this angle value to adjust the brightness of the indicator light. When rotating the angle knob, the indicator light brightness and output value will change synchronously.